Hello everybody, welcome to another video on the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own personalized stickers for your WhatsApp. Before starting the tutorial, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any news on the channel. Liking the video also helps a lot. Let's go to the tutorial. The first thing you will do will be to download the image or take the photo you want to make the sticker. It doesn't matter the image. It can be your face. It can be a downloaded image or anything. Once you have the image saved, you will open the Google Play Store or the App Store if your cell phone is an Apple brand. Now, you will search for this application that is appearing and click to download. Ready? We downloaded the application. Now, let's open it and create a new account. You can use Google accounts or create one with an external email. After you have created an account, if this appears to you, click Not Now. This is the application's home screen. See that there are several stickers to download, but our focus today is to create our own sticker. To get started, click the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Click Allow. These three options will appear. To create a sticker using the image you have on your cell phone, click on Regular. Here is your photo gallery. See that the photo we downloaded is there. Click on the image you want. Here you will be able to crop or adjust according to your preference if it is an image of a face. You can remove the background and make further adjustments. I will crop this image. Done. Now click on Add. Click Save. Click on the blue button, Save. This is where all the stickers you make will be kept. To add them to WhatsApp, it's very simple. Click the green button to add to WhatsApp. Click Add. Done. Now the sticker is already on your WhatsApp. Let's check it out. There's our sticker. You can create as many stickers as you want. It's super simple and practical. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I really hope I helped you.